Today we have a very unique house for you to see. Tucked away in a well-established farmers branch neighborhood and just steps away from beautiful park and quiet creeks. Join me for an exclusive tour on this wonderful, unique and contemporary property. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour. Please contact me with any questions you have, and I will be happy to find your dream home.